Ay. You know what it is, It's your girl, fredda.fertiti. You take. Yes, sir. And I'm back with another banger. Guys, these lashes are flying away.
You say the word, I'm on my way. This shit feel like teenage fever. Yeah. I'm faded, I'm jaded, I'm wasted.
Okay, guys, so today is a Friday. Happy Friday, everybody. So I actually did nothing during the week, guys, like literally nothing. Guys, why do I feel like this lash is about to fall? Can you see it's loose? I hope it doesn't fall. If it falls, then it is what it is, honestly. And I didn't even bring lash glue. What the hell? Anyway, guys, yeah, I didn't do anything. So yeah, that's how I couldn't vlog. That's how I did not vlog. Yesterday I actually went to class. What did I do? I ran a few errands, right? And then I went to class. So yeah, so today I'm actually on my way to go drop my CVs and to go get an outfit for tomorrow. I'll let you guys know what's happening tomorrow. For now, yeah, today I was actually supposed to go to a gig. Not really a gig because I wasn't getting paid for it. It was like I was trialing. So thing is, right, at that place, like that club closes around 2-3. So I was like really skeptical because I'm thinking like, yo, what am I gonna buy home with? Because like, okay, I don't mind paying for bolts and stuff, but like my problem is going from Rosebank to Pretoria alone in a bolt. I was like, nah, bruv. So I was just like, you know what, let me arrange transport probably for next week, and then I'll go next week. And yeah, but otherwise today I'm actually on my way to go get an outfit for tomorrow, firstly. Secondly, I wanna go to lunch. Like before I go to lunch, actually I wanna go drop a few CVs. I've got my CVs, yeah. I'm supposed to be going with this other girl, but I don't know what's going on. This is the second time she's doing this. Her phone is off. I'm actually really annoyed. But yeah, if she does not pull up or like pull through, then I'm gonna leave her and go drop my CVs. After that, I'm gonna have lunch, take some cute pictures, you know what I'm saying? So guys, today I tied my hair. I feel like it's so cute. And a little, this thing is, and a little, yeah, whatever. So that's the plan for today, guys. Catch you guys later. It's a little windy, I'm not gonna lie, it's windy. But yeah, catch you guys later. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to click on the post notification bell so you're notified when you go post. Peace out, guys. Y'all, I'm pissed. I'm actually very pissed. Okay, I'm actually annoyed. Like, I'm so annoyed. The girl I was supposed to buy with, literally as I'm on my way to the country, she's like, I'm bathing, I'll get you there. Like, what nonsense is that? It's like, yo guys, I know. You know what? So I decided not to go. I was supposed to go to Errands actually, guys, to go do a few things, to go drop my CDs actually. But I decided that I'm gonna go tomorrow because I'm going that side anyway. So yeah, I was just like, since I'll be going that side, let me just do it tomorrow. And yeah, so right now I'm going to see a friend. Going to say, guys, I think I see Ghost Louie. Should I scream Ghost Louie? Guys, wait, hold up, look. Please tell me that's not Ghost Louie, is it? Guys, I'm not gonna lie. This orange hair has shown me flames. Let me tell you. Basically, firstly, right? There was this man, like, he sells cool drinks and stuff. He literally said, let me give you a cool drink. You're so pretty. He's like, you're so pretty. Let me give you a free cool drink. I'm like, are you serious? He was like, yeah. I was like, nah, Shane, thank you. And he gave me like cool drink. And then now people ask, guys, today's it's too funny for me, honestly. Ish. Yeah, no, today's too funny. But yeah, people have been like saying the most funniest, weirdest things ever to me, and I'm just like, sorry, what? See? Just look at that. Okay, I'm not gonna show. Let me just. So yeah, guys, I'm actually out here because I've got nothing to do. I'm taking a stroll. I'm gonna go have lunch actually, and then just go home.
Yo, can I take your selfie too? Can I join the sister?
Let me vlog. Oh, even the lighting here is so cute. I know that's right.
Okay, show me. See now you.
Hey guys. Hi, what's up? Hi guys, Soen, was good, was poppin'. I came to visit a friend. Do you wanna be in my video? Everyone knows it. I'm sure they're gonna be like, oh my goodness. Say hi, say something to my people.
What do you want me to say?
Say anything.
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 You asked me to say anything.
No.
What must I say?
I don't know. Speak, say something.
Don't I look cute?
I know that's right.
Okay. What do you think?
Oh my word, but I look cute though. Come
who's
on,
more
let's
beautiful?
be honest. Let's be honest.
Who's more beautiful?
Let's be honest.
I think I'm more beautiful. For a man to be this beautiful. Yo, I'm hot. Like for real. No, seriously.
Look at me, please.
No, but look at me.
Look at me, please.
For a man to be beautiful, not handsome. No.
Ah.
I look awesome. For real.
You look like I look like damn, bro. You did not come to play.
I woke up like this. You didn't wake up like
this. Bye, guys. To tour.
Okay, this is us, yeah?
Alrighty.
Yeah. For those that can cook.
You don't cook?
I don't have to.
Ooh. Ooh, that's clean. That is so clean.
So this is the living space.
Okay.
This is where the shit gets down.
Okay.
Here and
Ooh.
where the deed happens.
This is where the deed happened.
Okay. And we've got like a walk-in closet here.
Ooh.
Yeah, we've got a walk-in closet here.
I know that's right.
Right here.
That's
There
for the
you
bag.
go.
There's a safe there.
Yeah, there's a safe here. And we've got the master bathroom here. So, bathtub.
Ooh, that is so nice.
A little potty for God knows who. And yeah, a shower.
Ooh, this is nice actually.
Yeah, and me.
Oh no, that's right. And me was good, was poppin'.
Yeah, pretty much.
And the view.
Yeah, and the view. this is behind.
Oh, that's nice. I'm obsessed with the view actually. Say bye. Food. Come. Sorry guys for not showing you, but Rich just literally got us food. I'm so hungry. This is hot. Hey guys! Someone got an iPhone 13. What is it? iPhone 13 Pro.
Yeah.
Is it a Pro Max or just a Pro?
No, it's just a pro.
No, it's a Pro. Oh yeah, it's okay. Oh my word, this is so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna try open it quickly. Oh my word, it looks so cute. I'm actually unboxing it, guys. I literally got the honor to unbox it. Such a huge ass honor. Okay, let's go. Why am I so excited? I'm literally so excited for you. I can't even. Okay, how do you open this? Oh, there we go. What the hell was I doing? This is so pretty! Oh my goodness. Oh my word. I can't even. This color is amazing. What is this? This is not black. Richard, what color is this? Graphites. Oh my goodness, it is so beautiful. I can't even. Why you both be? Oh my word. Guys, look at these. Look at the sides. It's the sides for me. It's the sides for me. Why you both be? Congratulations. This is so pretty. You deserve it, nah? Don't you wanna swap phones? Don't you wanna swap phones?
I have to think about it. I need to feel to think about it.
Got me thinking.